What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Substack publication name. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, then in the search bar, type in Substack. After that, you will be headed to this homepage of Substack. On your right side, click on Dashboard. Remember, Dashboard option will only appear if you have an account logged in to Substack. But if you don't have logged in your account or you want to create a new account, you can just simply create new account on Substack and then you can just simply log in and you will be welcome to the Substack dashboard. So now just go to settings, and after that in the settings option on your left side, click on website. After that, the publication theme option, click on this match profile and click custom theme. Now, after clicking, again click on website, and here you can see you can change your publication name from here. So I'll just simply change it to this, and you can change your publication name whatever you'd like and whatever is suitable according to your audience. After writing your name, simply click on Save and your publication name will be changed on Substack. So that was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.